Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be start about the next shape of 3D shapes. We have done 3D shapes. We have to know that what is cube, what is cuboid, what is triangular prism, and all of these other shapes, the cylinder. In today's class, we have to be talk about the next shape of this one. Now look at here. First of all, we have a cuboid. We know that a cuboid is a length in which all the lengths and the width and the height is going to be same. If, for example, if I have to say that it is going to be x1, it is x, so obviously it is going to be x as well, it is x as well. For example, if I have to say that the value of this is 4 centimeter, so height is 4 centimeter and the width is 4 centimeter as well. So when you are going to be open it, so you are getting the six faces. How many faces, the number of faces are? There are six faces. The first, the bottom, this one, the second one, that is top, the front one, and the back one, the left side, and the right side. Okay, so this is your base. It is your back side when you have to be open it. It is your left side. It is your front, and it is your right side. Sometimes we are going to be open the top on the left side, right side. Sometimes we have to be open it on the left side as well. We are going to be open on the top side or on the bottom side. All right. It depends upon the situation, or it's up to you. You can open it anywhere. It can be here, it can be here, or it can be here. In this situation, it is going to be here that this is your top space. It is clear. It is a cuboid, so it is very simple thing. All the length and the width are going to be same. For example, if I have to say that it is 4, so it is 4, it is 4, it is 4, it is 4, and all of these lengths are going to be 4. It is clear. Any question in the cube? So if the examiner says that you have to find the surface area of the cuboid, so basically you have to find the surface area of one square. After finding it, you need to multiply by 6. You will get the total surface area of the cuboid. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
In the next one, we have a cuboid. Okay, now I need your attention here. In a cuboid, I have to do a small construction here. One second. I think this is the good one. Okay, so this is our cuboid. So we have to find the total surface area. Again, in the cuboid, we have a six faces as well. The first of all, we have the bottom surface. It is your bottom. Yes, Yase. What it is? Which side it is?
Like
It's a back side.
the back.
Yeah. Yes, Malaika. What it is?
The front side.
It is your front side. Yes, Abhiyan. Yes, Rania.
Sir, it's the top.
It is your top side. It is your yes,
Left.
Muhammad Ibrahim. Yeah, it is left. Yes, Ibrahim. It is your right. Okay.
Right.
Now the main thing that we have to be concerned. Let's say I have to say that it is going to be the length, it is the width, and it is the height. Now we have to write the same thing in the picture.
Yes.
All right. So it is the length, it is the width. Yes, can anyone tell me what it is?
So that would be the height.
Yes,
Wait.
That would be the height.
it is the height.
Height.
Yes, what it is? Yes, Amaz Akram. Can you please tell me what it is? Yes, Arisha.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is length? It is length, it is width, or it is height? What it is?
That's height.
It is height. And what it is? Yes, anyone have the idea what it is? It is length, height, width. What it is?
Width.
Yes, it is width. It is this one. It is your width. So we are going to be get a width here. So yes, it is obviously length. It is length, length, length. Yes, Yasir, you have to be tell me what it is.
Sir,
Yes,
the height.
yes. Any of you, it is height,
Width.
width. Anyone else?
Sir.
Height.
Height.
Yeah, it is height because this side is going to be just open like this, right? So this length is basically your height. And what it is?
Width.
Sir,
Yeah.
length.
Oh,
No, it is obviously when you have to open it like this, means this is one. This length is here. So that is your width. In the same way, it is your height and it is your width. So when you are going to be open a cuboid, so it is going to be very important that you have to be find the correct height, length, and the width. All right. Any question to here?
No,
If
sir.
I'm gonna give you that it is 5 centimeter, so you can say that it is five, and it is 5 centimeter. In the same way, this is 5 centimeter as well. Got it? It is a cuboid shape. Okay, next we have a triangular prism. We already discussed that a prism is a shape in which the cross-sectional area is going to be throughout same. So throughout same means when you have to make a shape here at the back, it is exactly a same triangle. All right, throughout you have a same cross-sectional area in which you have how many faces are there? One, two, three, four, and five. How many faces are there? The bottom, let's say it is front and it is back. This is going to be the left one or it will be a right one. It is clear? Let's say I have to give the name. Let's say it is the length. It is the length and it is going to be the width. Let's say it is S1 and it is S2. Yes, can anyone tell me what it is?
Sir, length.
Sir,
It is
length.
the length. It is the length, and it is length as well, right? And obviously it is the length as well, but it's the top one. In the same way, it is going to meet here as well. So we have to write L. All right. Now it is what it
Width.
Width.
is the width. This one, width. It is the width. Yes, what it is.
The height. Height.
You don't have a height here.
Sir, width.
I have to give the name as W L S1
Height 2.
S2. The name
Height 2.
S2. It is because it's just going to be open like this, right? And we have to open it. It is going to look like this. So this is basically the S2. Obviously, it's S2. It is S2 as well. Yes, Arisha, you have to tell me what it is.
Um, is that the side one?
That is S1 because we are going to be open on the left side. So it will be S1. It is S1. All right. Yes, this length will be
S2.
just, yeah, it is S2 and it will be S1. S2, S1, S2, S1. Yes, everyone. Any confusion in these three shapes? Cube, cuboid, triangular prism.
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Now we have some other shapes as well. Uh, on this one. Where are they? Second. Just a minute. I will take it from internet directly. All right. In this one, we have the square base pyramid, tetrahedron, and the cone. It is a square base, so it is going to be easier. We have to, it is a line here, and it is going to be, we have a square. Obviously, if it is a square, so all of these lengths are going to be exactly same. And these are the inclined heights. Let's say it is going to be H, let's say. I have to give the name by myself. So it is L, it is L, it is L, it is L. Yes, can anyone tell me what it is?
Height.
It is going to be the, let's give another name because it is not a suitable name here. Let's say it is say that S. So it will be S, it will be S as well. Okay, now good thing for the square base pyramid is you have all the triangles are going to be exactly equal. This one, this one, this one, this one. Look at here, all of these triangles are congruent. They are same. But for example, if I have to make a pyramid with that is not a square base, that is a rectangular base. 1 second, I will draw it here. Look at here, this is the pyramid, but pyramid, it is not a square base, it is a rectangular base. It is a length, it is a width, and this, let's say it is the height, it is S. Okay. Now if we are going to make a nut shape, we are going to be get a rectangle at down, means the length multiplied by width. In the same way, we are going to be get a rectangle on the left side. We are getting a same rectangle on the right side. In the same way, we are getting a rectangle on the top. Take it a little bit down. We'll get a rectangle on the top and exactly the same triangle at the down. Uh, So in these type of in this pyramid, this is length and this is width. All right. If we are going to be talk about the height, this one, let's say it is S. So obviously the rest of the heights are going to be S as well because they are going to meet at the midpoint. But the problem was this triangle and this triangle is going to be exactly same. And on the other hand, this triangle and this triangle will be exactly same. So if you need to be find the total surface area, so you will find the surface area, the area of the rectangle, the area of a triangle multiplied by 2 because it is exactly same, the area of this triangle and multiply by 2. So you will get the total surface area of the whole pyramid. In simple words, if I have to write it, the total surface area that will be equal to area of rectangle plus area of triangle 1 multiplied by 2 plus area of triangle 2 multiplied by 2 because we have exactly two triangles here. Yes, everyone, it is clear how you can find the surface area.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is for if you have a rectangular base. It can be a triangular base as well. Look at here. Here you have tetrahedron in which the base is a triangle. Okay. It it can be equilateral triangle, it can be isosceles, or it can be scalene triangle. Okay, means all sides are different. But we are going to be talking about tetrahedron. Here we have all the sides are. We are taking all sides are equal here in this case. So we are going to be getting a triangle here. One is going to be here. I'm going to be, sorry, not here. Just a minute. Yes. So look at here. We have the one triangle, the second triangle, and the third that is a little bit at the back side. But all of these triangles are same if these lengths are equal. Okay. Now the last most important shape about cone. In a cone, when you are going to be open it, look at here. You are going to be getting a sector, and you are getting this one. Yes, what it is? Can you please tell me what is this length?
Sector arc.
It is the arc length. It is a it is arc length, but in other words, It is basically a circumference. When you have to be open it, it is the circumference of a of the circle. In the same way, it is the slant height of the cone. When you have to be open it, the slant height will become the radius of the sector. It is clear? When you have to open a cone, you are getting a sector and you are getting a circle. The circle is very simple. If you the radius of the circle is going to be exactly same. But when you have to open up this curved path, the curved path is will become a sector. In this sector, the radius is basically the slant height, all right, and the length of the arc length of a sector is basically it's not a new thing. It's just basically a circumference of the circle. Yes, it is clear. For example,
Yes,
if I have
sir.
the circumference is equal to 5 meters, so this arc length will be equal to 5 meters as well. If I have to say that the slant height is you have 9 meters here, so the radius will be 9 meters here. Yes, any question up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right. Now I think one more shape here that is not mentioned here. That is a cylinder. All right. Now it is a cylinder. When we are going to be open it, so what you will get?
Yes, sir. One rectangle and two circles.
Yeah, we are going to be getting a circle on the top, means our top circle, and we are getting a same circle at the bottom. And in the mid one, we are going to be getting a rectangle. We will get a rectangle. And if we are going to be talk about the radius, for example, if the radius is r here, you are going to be getting the same radius will be r here. All right. If the height of the cylinder is going to be h, here the width of the rectangle is going to be h. Yes, can anyone tell me what will be the length of this rectangle?
Sir, same as the circles?
Yes, the circumference. It is your because this is the circle. It is fold here in a fold form. When you have to be open it, so it's a straight length, and this length is exactly equal to the length of the circumference. Means it is your 2 pi r. Yes, it is clear. So if you have to be open a cylinder, you are getting two circles and one rectangle. The circles are exactly same. You are getting the radius, so you are able to find the area, and the height of the cylinder is exactly at the width of the rectangle. But if you are going to be talk about the length of the rectangle, the length of the rectangle is exactly same the circumference of a circle. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
Nice.
Sir, does prism has two bases?
The prism have
Two bases.
no only one base.
Okay, sir.
Now in prism shape we have a cross sectional area. The cross sectional area is going to be throughout same. Means if you have to cut it from here, you will get a circle. If you have to cut from here, you will get a circle. In the same way, look at here. We have some prism shapes above. Look at here. It is prism shape. If you have to cut it from here, you are getting a same square or same rectangle. If you are going to be cut it from here, you are getting a same triangle. All right. So prism shapes are the shapes in which you are getting a throughout same cross sectional area. In pyramid or in a cone, you have a base areas. All right. I think you have to be make a connection with the volume where we have learned that the volume is equal to base area multiplied by height, right? We have to
Yes,
take the
sir.
base area in the pointy shapes, means pyramid or cone. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here? But
No, sir.
I have sent you a video. You have to check it. So these are all the things are going to be better clear than this one. All right. So let's we have to we go for the practice of the questions. All right. Now look at here. We have the shaded shape has rotational symmetry of order 2. We did not done the symmetry yet, but I just told you if you had to rotate it, it will be exactly here. If I'm going to take a screenshot, 1 second. Rotational symmetry is, for example, if I'm just going to be rotated, after 180, look at here, it is going to be exactly at the same position. Okay. So if you have to be rotate a body up to 360-degree, how many times it is going to be matched to the original shape? So that is known as rotational symmetry. He says that it is rotational symmetry too, because after 180-degree, it is going to be exactly same. He says that you have to find the shaded area. If it is 4 centimeter, means this is 4 centimeter as well. It is 18 centimeter. This means that it is 18 centimeter as well. 18 plus 4, that will be 22 centimeter. All right, we have to find the shaded area. So we can find only this area. So multiply by 2, you will get this one as well. So how we can find it? Yes, everyone. How we can find this area?
So find the area of the cube and the rectangle.
We can make two rectangles. We can extend it like here as well, or we can make a line here as well. We will get two rectangles and we are going to find the area. Let's say this is my rectangle 1 and it is rectangle 2. So the area of the rectangle 1 is plus area of rectangle 2. Area of rectangle 1 is simply 4 multiplied by 5 because it is rectangle, and the area of rectangle is simply length multiplied by width. The whole length is the whole length is 10 centimeter and it is 5 centimeter, right? So 10 minus 5, this means that it will be 5 centimeter as well. Okay. So we have the length is 22 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter. So we are going to get the area of rectangle 2 is 5 multiplied by 22. Yes, please find the value. That will be 130 centimeter square. All right, we are just getting the area of this one shape. Obviously, it is exactly same this one as well. So to find the shaded area, or just we have to do a simplification here. Multiply by 2 with the final answer. Yes, what is the shaded area? That will be equal to
260.
260 centimeter square. Yes, any question up to here?
No.
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Yes, sir, I meant no question.
All right.
Yes, sir, 32.
All right, let's do 41 first. Oh, all right. So now
Sir,
look
I
at
think
here
it's
a
from
solid.
similarity,
Yes.
right?
Oh, we did not done similarity. Okay, I did not read the question. But in this picture, basically, you have to find the area of the bigger cone, and you need to find the area of a smaller cone, and you will get the height by using the similarity concept. We did not done it yet. Okay, the next will be 42. Okay, I'm just going to give you the hint. For example, if I'm just going to draw a line here, all right, or there is no need. With respect to 60, tell me what will be the name of the side? ED. That will be opposite, and it will be adjacent, right? According to angle 60, I'm just going to be working a triangle ADED. The side that is opposite to angle, that is opposite side, it will be the adjacent one, and it is hypotenuse. Is it clear? Yes, yes, sir. Mr. Bihan, it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we need to be find this length. Means we need to be find the adjacent, and hypotenuse is given. Yes, which trigonometric ratio is suitable here?
Sir, cos.
We have to use cos of 60 is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is EA divided by hypotenuse is 8. So EA will be equal to 8 multiplied by cos of 60. Yes, that will be equal to
4.
4.
that will be 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter. Now it is going to be easier to find the shaded area. First of all, you have to find the area of the rectangle and then subtract the area of this triangle and the area of this sector. So you will get the area of this shaded part. All right. So we have to find the shaded area. Shaded area is equal to area of rectangle minus area of triangle minus area of sector. Area of a rectangle is simply length multiplied by width. means 8 multiplied by 4 minus area of a triangle is, we have a 90-degree angle, so 1 by 2 base multiplied by height, 1 by 2, or we do not have this length as well. Let's see how to use another formula, 1 by 2 uh, product of two sides equals sine of the included angle. Okay, we can use that one as well, or you can find the opposite side.
Wait, so one
Sine,
side be 8 centimeters.
yes,
So one side also be 8 centimeters.
this one? No, no, it is and here. So obviously it will
Oh,
be
there.
not.
Okay. There.
So we can use a sine 60. Sine 60 will be equal to opposite, means ED divided by hypotenuse. That will be 8. So 8 multiplied by sine 60. Yes, the final answer will be
4.
4.
4. Confirm.
Sir, 1 second.
So 6.928.
Yeah, so 6.928.
6.928.
6.928 centimeter. Okay. So 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. So 6.928 multiplied by height is 4 minus area of a sector, that is angle, that is 30 divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square, and the radius is 8. All right,
8.
8 square. Yes, please find the final answer.
So 1.388.
7.1.388.
So 1.388. 1.388. Just don't put it. Eight means the 9 centimeter square. Yes, any question this one?
No, sir.
Just looking for a question because we have done surface area. I'm just going to be doing the queries. Let's see how to do any question which we have to find the surface area.
Sir, we have to find total surface area in question number 32 of a solid prism.
All right, let's see how to go for it after this one. Okay, here we have to find the shaded area. Okay, the whole is 120, so 180 minus 120, that will be 60 degree. We have to find the shaded area. So this means this is going to be 30 degrees and this is 30 degrees. We have to find the shaded area. It is going to be easier. You have to find the area of a triangle, area of a sectors. So 1 by 2 product of two sides into sine of their included angle, that is the area of a triangle, plus 2 times area of a sector. Yes, area of a sector will be angle, that is 30 divided by 360 into pi r square, and r is 3 square. Yes, please find the value.
8.6.
8 point.
Yes, sir. 8.6.
8.6 centimeter square. Okay, in
No, sir.
32,
It's a meter.
okay, meter square. Okay, he said that the tunnel is 50 meters long. So it is obviously a cross-sectional area multiplied by height. 8.6 multiplied by 50. Yes, that will be
430.46.
430.46. Up to three significant figure or one decimal. 431. No, 430. Or you can write 430.5. 32, 32, 32. Yes, look at here. Here we have to find our total surface area. So let's we have to first of all we have to mention the shapes, the sides. It is 15 centimeter. Obviously, it is a prism shape. It is 15 as well. It is 15 as well. It is 15 as well. It is 9. It is 4. It is 6. It will be 6. It will be 9. It will be 4. It will be. We don't have this side. Okay. So this means that we have what is this shape? What is the name of this shape?
Trapezium.
Yes, it is a trapezium. So we know that how to find the area of trapezium. 1 by 2 sum of parallel sides multiply by height. So we have parallel sides, we have the height, we can easily find the area. It is a rectangle, we have length and width. It is a rectangle, we have length and width. It is a rectangle, we have length and width. Now if you have to look at here, we have one side but we did not have this one, right? This means that we need to find this length. Yes, anyone have the idea how to find it?
Sir, area of trapezium minus area of rectangle.
No, 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 no. We need to find a length, simple length. Because we are able to find all the areas. We are able to find the area of a top rectangle. We are able to find the area of a bottom rectangle. Find the area of this rectangle as well. We are find the area of trapezium as well. But the problem was we are not able to this inclined rectangle because we have one side, we do not have the value of the second one, right? Yes, can you tell me what will be the height? What is the length of this one? That line I have drawn. What it is?
4.
It
4.
will be 4. And what it is?
3.
Yes, because it is 6 centimeter. It is 90 degree. It is given here. It is 9 centimeter. So 9 minus 6, you will get 3. So we can find the easily the length of CB that will be equal to, it's a right angle triangle. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of two other sides. Take a square root. That will be 5 centimeters. So we will get that it is 5 centimeter. Yes, everyone, it is clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
we able to find the area of all sides. That's we have to find. So first of all, we have to find the area of a trapezium. We have two trapeziums. So 1 by 2, sum of parallel sides, area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2, sum of two parallel sides multiplied by height. So the parallel sides are 9 and 6. So 9 plus 6 multiplied by height. The height will be 4. Yes, anyone have a question up to here?
No, sir.
Yes, anyone have a question up to here? Up to till we have
No,
to
sir.
find the area of the trapezium. Okay. Now let's see how to find the area of a rectangle. That is 4 multiplied by 15. I'm talking about this one. It is clear? Now let's see how to find the area of a bottom triangle, that is 15 multiplied by 9. I'm talking about this base triangle. We have top rectangle, that is 6 multiplied by 15. This one. 6 multiplied by 15. Now we have this inclined rectangle, that is 5 multiplied by 15. This one. Yes, I want it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we have two faces, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. All right, we had right. Mostly when we are doing this type of questions, so sometimes we are going to miss any side. So it's better than you have to be count after it. Okay. So two trapezium, two faces, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, please find the value. Just simplify them and tell me the final answer.
Sir, 420.
That will be 420. Any other one, please confirm the answer.
Yes, sir, 420.
420 centimeters square. We have done only one question from the surface area, but this is a good one because it is not a specific shape. It is not cuboid. It's not a cube or anything. It's just a random shape. So I hope after doing this question, you are able to find the surface area of any kind of shape. Yes, everyone. Any question up to here?
No, sir.
Sure.